पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ज्योति ब्राह्मण और स्वयं ज्योति ब्राह्मण इज दिस टॉपिक। पेज नंबर 972 टीका। पूर्वस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे जागरादि द्वारा तत्वं निर्धारितम् संप्रति ब्राह्मणांतरम अवतार्य तस्य पूर्वेण संबंधम प्रतिजानीते। In the previous Brahmana, what was the previous Brahmana?
Kurcha Brahmana.
Kurcha Brahmana. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, using these three, Tattvam Nirdharitam. Turiyam Tattvam Nirdharitam. Samprati Brahmanantaram Avatarya. Idanim, now, Brahmanantaram. How will be the Samas Vigraha?
Anyad Brahmanam Brahmanantaram.
Anya Brahmana Brahmanantaram. What is the Sutra?
Mayura Vyamsakarayascha.
Mayura Vyamsakarayascha. What is the meaning of Vyamsaka? Vyamsaka means Dhurta. Dhurta means the one who cheats. Like a peacock, he cheats. He looks very beautiful, but eats snakes. Brahmanantaram avatarya tasya purvena sambandham pratijanite. Purva अध्याय संबंधम प्रतिज्ञां करोति प्रतिजानीते। जनकं ह वैदेहं याज्ञवल्क्यो जगाम इति अस्य अभिसंबंधः। संबंध हियर इज जनको ह वैदेहं याज्ञवल्क्यो जगाम। याज्ञवल्क्य reached Janaka. Easily Abhisambandha. Atikrantena Brahmanena Sambandha. Tameva Sambandham Vaktum Tritiye Vrittam Kirtayati. That same Sambandha now he explains further. Tritiye. Tritiye means Tritiya Adhyaya Upanishad Krama. Sometimes he will say Upanishad Krama. Sometimes they will say Veda Path Krama. So here Tritiya is Upanishad Krama. Vijnanamaya Atma Sakshad Aparokshad Aparokshad Phalant. Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma Sarvantaraha Para Eva. Vijnanamaya Atma, which is Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. So Ushastha Brahmana, Kahola Brahmana, this was discussed. Sarvantara, it is Para, Paramatma. So Vijnanamaya Atma is Paramatma. Tattvam Mahavakya was revealed. Yad Brahma साक्षाद अपरोक्षात सर्वांतरः आत्मा सह एव परः विज्ञानमय आत्मा इति अत्र हेतुमाह. That which is Parabrahma, which is Sakshad Aparoksha, is Sarvantara Atma, which is the self of all. So that which is Mamatma is Sarvabhutatma. And that itself is Vijnanamaya, means the one who is experienced as Jivatma. Nine, 10, 11 टिप्पणी. उपनिषद क्रमेण तृतीय अध्याय. So not Veda क्रमेण. तत्पदार्थ एवं त्वम पदार्थ. तत्पदार्थ त्वम पदार्थ ऐक्य was shown. What is the हेतु? नान्यो अतो अस्ति द्रष्टा, नान्यो अतो अस्ति दृष्टि इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः. नान्यो अतो अस्ति द्रष्टा, this was shown in टिप्पणी 4 and 5. त्वं पदार्थ उपक्रमाभिप्रायतम and tat padartha upakramaviprayam. So one is through tvam padartha, another is through tat padartha. Nanyo ato asti drashta, this is tvam padartha. Nanyo ato nanyad ato asti drashtri, this is tat padartha. This is napunsakalinga. Nanyat drashtri, nanyo drashta is pullinga. इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः, based on the श्रुतिस्. विज्ञानमयः पर एव इत्यत्र वाक्यांतरं पठति. विज्ञानमय itself is Paramatma. In that वाक्यांतर is there. स एष इह प्रविष्टो वदनादि लिंगो अस्ति. व्यतिरिक्त इति मधुकांडे अजात, not li, you can cut. Ajata Shatru Samvade. There is no Ajata li Shatru. Ajata Shatru Samvade. In Madhukanda, what was shown? Sa esha iha pravishta. Saha, that Paramatma is iha pravishta. This was said in 147. Saha esha iha pravishta anakagrebhyaha. This is the pravesha shruti. Vadanadi lingo asti vyatirikta iti madhukande ajata shatru samvade pranadi kartrutva bhoktritva pratyakhyānena adhigato api. That it is a different one, this was refuted. Pratyakhyānam means refutation. It was refuted in Ajata Shatru Samvada, that the one who has entered, that Brahma, is itself Jivatma, not any different. It was shown through pranadi kartrutva, bhoktritva, etc. Pratyakhyānena adhigato api san. Let us see this one first. Vadan vak ityadau uktam anuvadati. Vadanadilinga, vadan vak, pashyan chakshuhu. This is how it was said there. Tartiyam artham anudya chaturthikam artham anuvadati. Tartiyam artham tritiya adhyayasya artham. Tartiyam artham anudya chaturthikam chaturtha adhyayasya artham anuvadati. Now here Tartiya is what? Which adhyaya? This is Veda Patakrama because 147 is third chapter according to Veda. Chaturthikam, Chaturtha will be according to Veda Krama. This is Brahadaranyaka Krama. Brahadaranyaka Krama means 8 chapters you have to take, not Upanishad. 6 of Upanishad plus 2, first one, 2. So Chaturthikam means which chapter according to Upanishad?
Dvitiya.
And in the second line of Tika, Tritiya. Tritiya means which chapter?
Upanishad Krama Tritiya.
Third chapter of Upanishad.
Prathama of Upanishad.
No, third. This is why I am asking. In the second line of the Tika, Tritiya Vrittam Kirtayati, that is third chapter of Upanishad. Tartiyam Artham Anudya is third chapter of according to Veda Krama. Chaturthikam is according to Veda Krama. So according to Upanishad, Chaturthikam will be second chapter. Second chapter is Ajata Satru. अस्ति व्यतिरिक्त इति मधुकांडे अजातशत्रु संवादे प्रत्याख्यानेन अधिगतम्। यदि मधुकांडे गार्ग्य काश्य संवादे प्राणादीनां कर्तृत्व आदि निराकरणेन तेभ्यो व्यतिरिक्तो अस्ति विज्ञानात्मा इति सो अधिगतस् तर्हि किमिति पंचमे तत्सद्भावो व्युत्पाद्यते तत्र। If in Madhukanda, Gargya Kashya Samvada, Gargya Tripta Balaki, Kashya Ajatasatru, Kashi Naresh, Gargya Kashya Samvade, Pranadinam Kartritvadi Nirakaranena, Pranadinam Kartritva was Nirakritam, Pranadis don't have Kartritva. Tebhyo, so that is what was pointed out. The Pranadi is not, when it was called out, Prana names were uttered, he did not respond. Nirakaranena, Tebhyo Vyatirikto Asti Vijnanatma. Jivatma is different from Pranadi. Iti so adhigataha, if this teaching was imparted and if it was revealed, then tarhi kimiti panchame tat sadbhavo vipadyate, then again in the 5th chapter, 5th one here is according to which krama?
Veda Krama.
Veda Krama.
Veda Krama.
Panchame tat sadbhavo kim vyutpadyate, why you are saying it is existing now? It is already known it is existing and it is different from pranadi. Tatra aha. Punaha prananadi lingam upanyasya औषस्ते प्रश्ने प्राणनादि लिंगो यह सामान्येन अधिगतः प्राणेन प्राणिति इत्यादिना दृष्टेर्द्रष्टा इत्यादिना अलुप्त शक्ति स्वभावो अधिगतः। प्राणनादि लिंगम उपन्यस्य in the Ushasta Brahmana, when he asked the question, Prananadi lingo yaha samanyana adhigata. Prananadi is samanya linga, pranina pranidi. Drashtahe, drashtaram, pashyehe, like that. टीका यद्यपि विज्ञानमय सद्भाव चतुर्थे स्थितः तथापि पुनरौषस्ते प्रश्ने यह प्राणेन प्राणिति इत्यादिना प्राणनादि लिंगम उपन्यस्य तल्लिंगम तल्लिंगगम्यः सामान्येन अधिगतः सदृष्टेर्द्रष्टा इत्यादिना कूटस्थदृष्टिस्वभावो विशेषतो निश्चितस् तथा स पंचमे अपि तद्व्युत्पादनम् उचितम् इत्यर्थः. The question was asked, why again in the third chapter of the Upanishad this discussion was done. So it is said, even though Vijnanamaya Sadbhav was already done in the second chapter of Upanishad, Sthitas, Tathapi, by Ushastha Prashne, Pranena Praniti is Samanya Jnana. Pranadi Lingam Upanyasya. Tallinga Gamya Samanyana Adhigata. Its Vishesha Jnanam is, it is the seer of the seeing. Drashtehe Drashta. Shrutehe Shrota. Matehe Manta. In Pranana Kriya, Chaitanya doesn't become known. Because pranas are jada. That is why this drashti, shruti, mati, vijnati, these are mentioned so that Chaitanya Swarupa Atma becomes known. Ityadina, kutastha drashti swabhavo visheshato nishchita. And it is kutastha. That other things keep changing, but it doesn't change. Nirvikara jnana swarupa. Visheshato nishchita. Tatha, and therefore, in 5th chapter, which is in the 3rd chapter of Upanishad, Panchame api tad vyutpadanam uchitam. So its vyutpadanam is appropriate. And it is in Bhashya, alupta shakti svabhava. Aviparilupta chaitanya. Even in Sushupti. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate avinashitvat. Natu tad dvitiyam asti. Tato tad vibhaktam pashyet. Like that the mantra is. Atma kutastha drishti svabhavaschet katham tasya samsaras tatra. If Atma is kutastha drishti svabhava, then how it has samsara? Means why do I feel I am samsari? Tasya cha paropadi nimittaha samsaro. Tasya atmanaha kutastha drishti svabhavasya atmanaha. That kutastha drishti svabhava atma has paropadi nimittaha samsara. Paropadi nimittam yasya samsarasya. So samsaraha paropadi nimittaha. Tika ajnanam tat karyam cha antakaranadi paropadi shabdartha. Ajnanam and ajnana karya antakarana. This is the upadhi. Why both have to be given? Why can't only they give one?
अग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहण.
Any other?
Avarana and Vikshepa.
Avarana vikshepa. Agrahana anyatha agrahana. In simple terms, what do you understand by these two, Ajnanam and Antakaranam? Ajnanam is true for all. But samsara appears to be bhinna for everybody. somebody has more sukha, more dukha, more shoka, bhaya, moha, etc. That is contributed by antahkara. So one is samanya upadhi for all. Another is vishesha upadhi. So karana upadhi is samanya. Karya upadhi is vishesha. Two ignorant people, they are not dukhi to the same extent. They are not sukhi to the same extent. Their samsara is different. Their health is different. Their relations are different. Their knowledge is different. Worldly knowledge. Their karmas are different. Everything. Samsarasya atmani aupadikatve drashtantam. Samsara is aupadika in Atma. Samsarasya atmani aupadikatvam. If you remove Shashti from samsara, then
Samsaraha aupadhikam.
Saraha aupadika atmani. Drishtanta is yatha Rajju Ushara Shukti Ka Gaganadishu Sarpodaka Rajata Talamalinatwadi. Rajju Ushara Shukti Ka Gaganadishu. Sarpa. So Rajjau athva Rajvam Sarpa. Ushara Bhumishu Udakam. Shuktika Yam Saptami, you'll have to put Shuktikayam Rajat. Gaganadishu Talamalinatadi. Para Adhyaropan Nimittam Eva Na Swataha. Na Swataha Kaha
Samsaraha.
Samsaraha. Samsaraha Na Swataha. Para Adhyaropan Nimittam. ठीक है. दार्ष्टान्तिकस्य अनेक रूपत्वात् अनेक दृष्टान्त उपादानम इति अभिप्रेत्य दार्ष्टान्तिकम्. Darshantika has variety in everybody's case. Samsara is so different. That's why many examples are there. Many examples are there. तथा निरूपाधिको निरूपाख्यो नेति नेति इति व्यपदेश्य साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् सर्वांतर आत्मा ब्रह्म अक्षरम अंतर्यामी प्रशास्ता औपनिषदः पुरुषः विज्ञानम् आनंदम ब्रह्म इति अधिगतम्. प्रशास्ता औपनिषदः पुरुष. In this way you have to split. निरूपाधिकः निरूपाख्यः. सोपाधिकस्य आत्मनः यथोक्त दृष्टान्तानुसारेण आत्मनि अपि परोपाधिः संसार इति यावत्. यथोक्त दृष्टान्त अनुसारेण, based on these dristantas, Atma also is para upadhihi. Atmani para upadhihi samsara. In Atma, para upadhi rupa samsara is there. सोपाधिकस्य आत्मनः संसारित्वम् उक्त्वा. सोपाधिक आत्मा इस संसारी. निरूपाधिकस्य नित्यमुक्तत्वम्. निरूपाधिक इज नित्यमुक्त. निरूपाख्यत्वं वाचां मनसां च अगोचरत्वम्. निरूपाख्य निर्गता उपाख्या यस्मात् सः निरूपाख्यः. Upakhyana means to explain in words. So this is beyond words, this is beyond speech. And also beyond mind. So vacham manasam cha agocharatvam. Katham tarhi agama pramanyam tatra. Then why there is agama pramanyam? Neti neti iti vyapadeshyah. व्यपदेश्यः आत्मा साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् Sarvantara Atma. Already this was all taught earlier. Brahma, Aksharam, Asthulam, Ananu, Ahrasvama, Dirgham, Ityadi. Antaryami, Prashasta, the one who is the ruler from within, controller. Kahola Prashnoktam Anudravati Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. That is Kahola Prashna. Akshara Brahmanyoktam Smarayati Aksharam. Antaryami Brahmanoktam Smarayati Antaryami. Bhagavan Bhashyakar uses one word to remind us we have studied all this. He says, I have elaborately explained all these things. That is how we have come to page number 973, not by accident. So he expects that we know a lot of this. Shakalya Brahmana Uktam Anusandadhati Upanishadam Purusha. And at the end of Upanishad Kramena Tritiya Adhyaya, Shakalya Brahmana Upanishadaha Purushaha Vijnanam Anandam Brahma Ratir Dhatu Parayanam Ishtamanasya Tadvidaha Iti Adhigatam. This is how Asamsari, that Nitya Mukta Nirupadika Brahma, was also taught. And Samsara is because of Upadhi that was also revealed. And that Samsari will do karma, upasana, etc. Panchamikam artham itham anudya atite brahmana dvaye vrittam anubhrashte. Panchamikam artham. Panchamika means, again, Upanishad, not Upanishad, Veda Krama. Because now we are in 4th chapter. So if you say the 5th chapter, in 5th chapter we have seen. If you are studying 4th chapter, and if it is said in 5th chapter we have seen all this. So you should know 5th chapter is according to Veda Patakrama. Anudya. Now Atite Brahmana Dvaya, in the Shadacharya Brahmana and Purcha Brahmana. Brahmana Dvaya Vrittam Anubhashte. Tadeva Punar Indha Sanyaha Pravivikta Haras Tato Antardaya Lingatma Pravivikta Haratara. Up to this, let's say. Yat Sakshad Aparokshat Sarvantaram. You can see long tika is there by Anand Giriji on these topics. And this 4th chapter, 3rd Brahmana and 4th Brahmana, this is the main teaching of Brother. Somebody will say, now you are saying it is main teaching. 970 pages you made us sit through, and now you are saying, now we are starting main teaching. So you should have started with this one itself in the beginning. You would not know so many things. Now everything is known. So then, what is Antaryami Brahmana? What is Shakalya Brahmana? What is Akshara Brahmana? Who was Kahol and who was Ushasya Chakrayana? And what happened to how Shakalyasya Lopa happened? How will you know? So now you know everything. Yat Sakshad Aparokshat Sarvantaram Brahma Tadeva Adhigamana Upaya Vishesha Upadarshana Purassaram Punaradhigatam Iti Samava. What was said as Sakshad Aparoksha and Sarvantar Brahma. Both terms he is using constantly together, which is there in the Upanishad 351. Aparoksha is Pratyagatma. But for that, Upanishad uses the term Brahma. Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. And Ya Atma Sarvantara. Really speaking, what is Sarvantara is Brahma. because it is in all. And what is Sakshad Aparoksha is Pratyagatma. Instead, the Upanishad says Sakshad Aparoksha is Brahma and Sarvatma, Sarvantara is Atma. So as if Mahavakya is given twice. What is Tvam Padartha? Sakshad Aparoksha is Tat. What is Tat? Sarvantara is Atma, is Tvam. Tat Tvameva, Tvameva Tat. तदेव अधिगमन उपाय विशेष उपदर्शन पुरस्सर. The adhigama jnanam of this upaya vishesha, some upaya vishesha will be given. How to know this? Second number tippani. Right? No, 12 number tippani. Upaya vishesho vagadi devatasu brahma drishtyakhyah. This is the Shadacharya Brahmana. Second number tippani adhyaropana, it says ajnana prayukta adhyaropana nimittameva. Samsara. Okay, so using the upasanas taught by 6 acharyas, purassaram punar adhigatam. It is number. Shadacharya brahmanartham sankshipya. Purcha brahmanartham sankshipati. Having summarized the Shadacharya Brahmana Artha, Purcha Brahmana Artha Sankshepa he is doing. Tadeva Punar Indha Sanyaha Pravivikta Haraha Tato Antarhridaye Lingatma Pravivikta Haratara. So this is Indoha Vainama Keshaha Samvaetam Indram Indra. Indhasya Visheshanam Pravivikta Hara iti. Hridaye Antar Yo Lingatma. So Tato Vaishwanaradi Vaishwanarat Indhat Pravivikta Haratar iti yojana. That which is in the Antarhridaya Lingatma is Vaishwanarat Indhat Pravivikta Haratar. Vaishwanara is Stula and Pravivikta Haratara is Sukshma Bhuk. Iti Yojana. One is Vishwa, Vaishwanara, another is Sutratma. Vishwa Taijasa Uktav. Because they are Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha is Vishwa Taijasa. Sutratma, Prana, Hiranyagarbha, Samanartha. Vaishwanara Virat Samanat. Vishwatajasau Uktau. Prajna Turiye Pradarshayati. Prajna Turiye. How will you do Samas Vigraha?
Prajnascha turiyascha prajna turiye.
No.
Prajna turiyau tasmin prajna turiye.
No. Why Tasmin Prajna Turiye Pradarshayati?
Prajnam cha turiyam cha prajnaturiye.
Prajnyascha Turiyancha. Iti Prajna Turiya. Prajna is Pullinga. Turiya is Napunsakalinga. Prajna Turiya Pradarshayati. ततः परेण जगदात्मा प्राणोपाधिः ततोऽपि प्रविलाप्य जगदात्मानम् उपाधिभूतं रज्ज्वादाविव सर्पादिकं विद्यया स एष नेति नेति इति साक्षात् सर्वान्तरं ब्रह्म अधिगतम्. ततः परेण, greater than that हिरण्यगर्भ सूत्रात्मा जगदात्मा is प्राणोपाधि. प्राण means ईश्वर. ततोऽपि प्रविलाप्य जगदात्मानम् उपाधिभूतं रज्ज्वादाविव सर्पादिकं विद्यया, then turiya is what remains. स एष नेति नेति इति साक्षात् सर्वांतर ब्रह्म is revealed. ठीक है. तस्मात् विश्वात् तैजसाच्च. Then this Vishwa and Taijasa. Vishwa Taijasa means you have to remember Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha. Parena Vyavasthito Yo Jagadatma Pranopadihi, that which is Prana Upadi. Avyakritakya Prajna. Tatopi Tamapi Upadibhutam Jagadatmanam Kevale Pratichi Vidyaya Pravilapya. Pratichi means
Anubhava.
what? Pratichi means Pratyagatman. That Prajna Ishvara or Saguna Brahma also has to be dissolved in Nirupadika, Kevala Brahma. Instead of using Brahma, Turiya Shabda when it is used or Pratyagatma Shabda is used, I will not feel that it is some other entity where the resolution is taking place. Vidya Pravilapya, and Pravilapanam is through Vidya. Sa esha neti neti iti yat turiyam brahma tadadigatam iti sambandha. That which is the Turiya Brahma, that is Adigatam. Vidya Upadi Vilapane Drashtantam Aha. By Vidya, Upadi Vilapanam is done. In that Drashtanta is Rajvadaviva Sarpadikam. Like Sarpadis, Sarpa, Udakadhara, Danda, Uchitra, everything is dissolved in Rajju. Like Swapna Prapancha is dissolved in Jagrat Pramata. Like that. Where did, when I wake up after dream, where did everything go? Whatever I saw in dream, all the people, places, objects, everything in oneself. Nothing else is there outside. Pramata. Like that, Jagrat Prapancha has to be dissolved in Shuddha Chaitanya, Pratyagatma. The Upadesha Sahasri chapter, which we are using for meditation in last few sessions, where Atma has a dialogue with mind, is Mati Vilapanam Prakaranam. That Mati Vilapanam, if we can do, Mati means Buddhi or Ahankara. Mati Vilapanam is Jagad Vilapanam. Because Tasmin Vinashte Sakalam Vinashtam. Vijrumbitesmin
Sakalam Vijrumbhara.
Sakalam Vishram.
Nahyastya Vidya Manasotirikta. There is no avidya other than mind. Manohya Vidya Bhavabandha Hetu. Mind itself is Bhavabandha Hetu. Mind is avidya. Why mind is avidya? That also you can think about it. We say in general, what is the Upadana Karanam, Parinami Upadana Karanam of Jagat?
Maya.
Or Mula Vidya. Avidya is the parinami upadana karana. But here it says mind is the upadana karana. Now where do we see mind as upadana karanam of jagat? Only if we understand
Ekajava.
मनोदृश्यमिदं द्वैतम यत्किंचित सचराचरम मनसो ह्यमनि भावे द्वैतम नैवोपलभ्यते. इदम दृश्यम मनोदृश्यम is द्वैतम is मनोदृश्यम idam द्वैतम, not avidya drishyam idam द्वैतम, मनोदृश्यम idam द्वैतम. So mind becomes no mind, there is no drishya. Many of these things, if we connect, then we will understand. So see, Viveka Chudamani Shloka, Upadesh Sahasi chapter, Mandukya Tarika, you can connect. Vidyaya pravilapya. This pravilapanam will result in sa esha neti neti iti. Yat turiyam brahma tad adhigatam iti sambandha. Vidyaya upadi vilapane drishtantamaha rajju. Abhayam vai janaka ityadau uktam anuvadati. Evam abhayam vai janaka praptosi. So abhayam pariprapito janako. Yajnavalkyena आगमतः संक्षेपतः. By Yajnavalkya with the agama, sayeshaneti neti etc. Not yukti was not used in the second Brahmana, Purcha Brahmana. Agama was there and it was said, you have attained abhaya. Now, in this chapter and the next chapter, these two Brahmanas, Tritiya and Chaturtha, Yuktitaha he is going to explain. Purcha Brahmanoktam Artham Anubhashitam Sankshipya Aha. This was said in Purcha Brahmana. Atracha Jagrat Swapna Shushupta Turiyani Upanyastani Anya Prasangena Indaha Pravivikta Harataraha Sarve Pranaha Sa Esha Neti Neti. And there Jagrat Swapna Shushupta and Turiyani Upanyastani, their Upanyas were done Anya Prasangena, by bringing out some other context, and then this Indha Vishwa Tejasa Prajna was talked about. Praviviktahara Taraha Sarve Pranaha. So Indha means Vishwa, Praviviktahara Tara Tejasa, Sarve Pranaha, Prajna, Saesha Neti Neti Turiya. Tika. Anya Prasangena means Upasananam Krama Mukti Phalatva Pradarshana Prasangena. Because Shadacharya Brahman has Upasana, then he asked, Kva Gamishyasi, where will you go? Bringing that, he gave the teaching from Krama Mukti Phala Pradarshana. Tesham Upanyasam Eva Abhinayati Indha Ityadi. That Upanyasa, how it was done, is explained by the sentence Indaha Praviviktahara etc. Vrittam Anudya Uttara Brahmanasya Tatparyam. So now from the beginning up to here, all recap is done. Now what is the purpose of next Brahmana? Idani Jagrat Swapnadi Dwarena Eva Mahata Tarkena Vistarato Adhigamaha Kartavya. Now using waking and dream, Adi. Adi means Adi Shabda Sushupti Turiya Sangraha. So waking dream, deep sleep and Turiya, Mahata Tarkena with your lot of Yukti, Vistarato Adhigamaha Kartavya. In detailed, the Adhigama should be done. Knowledge should be imparted. Tika. Tarkasya Mahatvam Chaturvida Dosha Rahityena Abhaditatvam. What is the importance of tarka? Chaturvidha dosha rahityena abaditatvam. Where the star sign is on the page at the bottom. What is tarka? Vyapyaropena vyapaka aropas tarka. This portion we will see in the next session. That is what is given in the footnote. And Chaturvidha dosha rahitya, the fourfold doshas should be absent. They are also given there in the footnote. We will see that. Adhigamas tasyaiva prastutasya brahmana iti shesha. That same Brahma will be taught here also, but with Mahata Tarkena and using Jagrat Swapna Shushupti Turiya in this. Kartavya iti idam idanim arabhyate iti sambandha. Kartavya adhigama kartavya iti idam idanim arabhyate iti. Kimidam brahmano adhigamasya kartavyatvam nama. Why Brahma adhigama should be done? Abhayam prapayitavyam. Because we have to become fearless. No fear of death. No fear of any near and dear ones passing away. No fear of any loss. Nanu shochanti panditaha. This is Abhaya. Adhigantavyam arthantaram aha. Sadbhavascha atmano. Vipratipatti ashanka nirakarana dvara. And atmanaha sadbhava, atma is sadrupa. So there, if there is vipratipatti, then nirakaranam, shanka nirakaranam should be done. That we will do here. Pragapi sadbhavas tasya adhigataha. Earlier itself you have explained sadbhava. Tat kimartham punas tadarthyena prayatyate. Again, why are you putting effort to establish its existence? It says vipratipatti ashanka could be there. So now doubts also will be raised. Bahyanam vipratipatya nastitva shankayam tannirasa dvara atmanaha sadbhavo adhigantavya ityartha. Bahyanam Bahyanam 6 number recording. Veda Nastika, Veda Bhakyana, Veda Nastikana. Vipratipatya Nastitva Shanka is there. Tan Nirasa Dvara Atmanaha Sadbhavo Adhigantavya ityartha. Atmano Astitve api Kechit Dehadau Tad Antarbhavam Abhipayanti. Atma is existing, but somebody thinks Atma is inside the body. Dehadau Tadantarbhava. Or Atma is Deha. Tan Pratyaha. No. Vyatiriktatvam, Shuddhatvam, Swayam Jyotishtvam, Alupta Shakti Swarupatvam, Niratishaya Ananda Swabhavyam, Advaitatvam, Cha Adhigantavyam, Iti Idam Arabhyate. What is the nature of that Atma? It is Vyatirikta from Panchakosha, Shuddha, Swayam Jyotishtva, Swayam Jyotish Swarupa. This Brahmana is called Swayam Jyotir Brahmana. Alupta Shakti, Aviparilupta Shakti Swarupatvam, Niratishaya Ananda Memansa also will be there. Sabhavyam, Advaitatvam cha Adhigantavyam, Iti Idam Arabhyate. With that in the mind, all this is taken up. The remaining part of the Tika and some more introduction we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।